All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. So today we're actually going to be working on the Model 3 Highland again, doing some more interior accessories to it. As you already know, I previously installed an Alcantara cover for the dash, but it was a two-piece cover and you have a little split in the line in the middle and it just doesn't look that good, to be honest. But this is an actual full Alcantara piece that Tesla actually sells. So Tesla sells this for $250 on their website. With my discount code, the FITITGUY on evbase.com, you can get this for $192 on evbase.com. It looks exactly the same. There's pretty much no difference, and you can see it has all the tabs. So we're going to replace the full dash piece. This isn't a cover. This is actually a full replacement piece. Alcantara is just a much nicer material than the gray fabric. Again, I don't know why they have that gray fabric there. This is for both the Model Y Juniper and the Model 3 Highland. And today we're going to be putting it in the Model 3 Highland. I already have a carbon fiber cover in my Model Y Juniper over there. So we're going to keep the Model 3 Highland with the Alcantara that's already in there and make it look even nicer. So let's go ahead and pull the original one off. I'll show you how to do that, and then we'll put the new one in. As you can see here, this is just a cover. It doesn't look that good. It has the split in the middle. So we're just going to pull this off first. And now we can use a trim tool to completely pull this up. I've actually already pulled this off before, so it's going to be a lot easier for me to pull it off than you, but you're definitely going to need a trim tool, if not two trim tools. Again, I pulled this off already, so once you pull something off once, it's a lot easier the second time. And you definitely want to make sure you're pulling it evenly on both sides, from both the front and the back as you're pulling it off, so that you don't break any tabs or anything. Again, this is a very, very tight fit. The first generation Model Y, Model 3 dash was a lot easier to work on. This one, not so much, but once you take it off once, like I said, a lot easier the second time. And I'm actually doing the other side at the same time as I'm doing this side. So we have most of it off. I'm just gonna go ahead here, pull actually our very last tab, so I'm going to pull it evenly up, and there we go. You can see all of our tabs are still intact. So the other thing you want to do is push in these metal clips back in. These are the clips that the tabs insert into. So basically at this point we can just go ahead and get on our next piece. Obviously you can see I have my 10.8 inch dash here that I have reviewed and I've been using on both the Model 3 Highland and the Model Y Juniper. I love it so much. So check that out as well. I'll have a link down below. All right, so here's the new piece. It feels so much more premium already just holding it. And I'm just gonna line up everything here. So lining up the tabs, the clips, everything looks good. And wow, you can see I have this lower Alcantara piece here already from one of my previous videos that you can check out. So this still matches perfectly. Alcantara is Alcantara. If you get black Alcantara, that's what this is. So we're just gonna go ahead. Since everything's lined up, we can kind of just push down on the clips, and when you know it's even, you can even kind of like hit it a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead to the other side, put those in as well. That way I can reach the middle. It's kind of hard to reach here with the steering wheel, so I'm going to go on the other side, get that side down, and then kind of make sure everything's even. So just to show you the color difference, look at that. Big difference. This gray does not need to be in here, especially on the Model 3. There's no other gray. On the Model Y, at least you get gray on the doors, but Model 3, there's no gray there. And in one of my last videos, I already changed the gray that was on the door of the Model Y Juniper. I put on some carbon fiber covers. So that gray was absolutely unnecessary. And I'm just making sure I push in all these metal clips here. This is all aligned here. And I can just go push down. You're going to feel it insert. It's going to have a nice insertion feeling. And it'll click. You'll really know it's in if it clicks. And you just have to kind of put some pressure. Yeah, see, we're feeling it click. Hearing it click. And just hitting it to make sure that it's all even there. As you can see, all good. And that looks so much better. Without the line in the middle. Super premium. I absolutely love it. And of course, Alcantara, you can do whatever you want to the material. and it just looks so premium. And this is going to help absorb some sound as well. Alcantara's sound dampening a little bit, so I absolutely love the look. So here it is, and you can see it matches the rest of the Alcantara that I have inside the car here. Absolutely beautiful. And I have this white cover that I'm going to replace with the cover I showed you at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to show you that. This one, it has some straps to hold it in, but at the end of the day, you know it's just the cover. The other one is very form-fitting, so we're going to put that on. It's going to look just that much more premium. So here's our new cover. Still very comfortable, very premium inside. And we're not going to have these straps anymore here when we open up the center console. When we open up the armrest, we're not going to have those straps. So here it is. All you really need to do is just lift this up and slide it on just like that. And there you go, just like that, it's all set. If you want to really secure it, you can use some of that clear tape that comes with some other accessories. I'll link that tape down below as well. That'll help really secure it a lot. But it's not going anywhere, especially with the armrest down. It is form-fitted on there. But again, you can be extra secure by putting on some of that clear tape to attach it to the original armrest. But you can see much more premium look when I open up the armrest here. Much more premium look in here that we've got. So there we go, the Model 3 Highland. Definitely not as many mods as I've done in Model Y Juniper. Keeping this one nice and as classy as possible. We're gonna make it a little sporty on the outside, but classy as possible on the interior. We have our swivel mount in here, radar, phone mount, dash, all this Alcantara, this beautiful Alcantara. First the Alcantara dash and armrest cover that we just put on this video. So go ahead, check it out at evbase.com. With my code, the FITITGUY saves you 20%. And you save a lot of money compared to Tesla for that, for the Alcantara dash piece. And for this, Tesla doesn't sell a white armrest cover for the white interior on the Model Y Juniper and the Model 3 Highland. So be sure to check it out. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next video. Take care.